Hey guys, welcome to the next video on shell scripting tutorial for beginners. In this video we will learn how to use AND operators with if statements. So let's get started. So suppose we have a student and we need to evaluate his age, and we need to evaluate the age in such a way that his age should be greater than 18 and less than 30 years. So how do we do it? So let's say we have a student whose age is 25, right? And then we will write a if statement. So I'm going to write a if statement, and then as we do with the if statement, we will just write the condition. So we can write here age, so $age, and then we can say if age is greater than GT, for that with minus, right? So greater than 18, and we need to write the second condition also. So for that we can use AND operators, and there are two ways of using AND operator with if statement in bash script. One is to use these kind of double AND symbols, and then make a second square bracket and then give a second condition here. So the second condition is $age if the age is less than, so minus LT, less than 30, right? So we are evaluating two conditions here. If the age is greater than 18 and the age is less than 30, then we will say success or fail. So we will just echo valid age, otherwise we will echo, so let me write else, and then we will echo age not valid, right? And then we will end the if condition by fi. So whenever you want to evaluate more than one condition, you can use two kind of operators. One is AND operator and other is OR operator, which we will see in the next video, right? So in this case we want to check whether the age is greater than 18 and if it's less than 30 at the same time. So we use AND operators, and if you know a little bit of programming, you already know that AND is for checking or validating both the condition. So if and only if both the conditions are true, then only this code will be executed, otherwise this code will be executed, right? So let me run the script. So I'm going to go to my desktop folder, so cd desktop, and then I'm going to run my script, and you can see age not valid, right? And why it's not valid? Because I think I forgot this space between 30 and the ending square bracket. So we will run our script once again, and this time it says valid. So always remember to give the space here and here, okay? So now let's give the age which is out of the range, for example 50 years, and let's see what happens. So I'm going to run the script, and it says age not valid. And what's happening here? The first condition is true because the age is greater than 18. So this condition is true, but the other condition is false. The age is not less than 30, right? Therefore the whole condition is false, right? In order to pass this AND operators, you need to pass both the condition, this condition and this condition also, right? Now there is a second way of using AND operators, and this way maybe for some people it can be easier because it only requires one square bracket and not two square brackets. So what we need to do is we can just remove these square brackets from here, and then we can use a -a flag which stands for AND, okay? So if you want to just use one square bracket, then For AND operator, use -a flag, and the condition or situation will be the same. So -a stands for AND operator. And let's run the code once again, and it says age not valid, and let's give the valid age, and once again the age is valid. Now there is one last alternate way of using AND operator with your if statement, and that is you can use these double AND operators like this, but you need to use double square brackets like this for that. Okay, so if you want to use double square brackets also, you can use this kind of operator, and it will also work fine. So let's run the script once again, and it says age valid, and let's give the invalid age, and let's run the script once again, and it says age not valid. So there are three ways of using AND operator. One is this way with two brackets and this AND operator. If you want to use one bracket, then you need to use -a here, and if you want to use two brackets, then you can just give two conditions separately in two square brackets. So in this way you can use AND operators with if statements in scripting. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please rate, comment, subscribe, and bye for now.